let's make a video about French festivals. So I've got Spark open here. I'm going to press the plus on the left hand side, go down to video, click next, and let me grab my first bit of French. Okay, so here we are. Let me start with the first slide. I'm going to paste my text in. I'm using the full screen mode at the moment, but I could change it to title and text, and then split this section of text up by cutting this one, putting it in there. That's just a different way for doing things. And then on the left hand side, press that plus, go to photo, and I'm going to find 3 photos here, and I'll put something like French flag. Next thing to do is record your voiceover. C'est la fête nationale le 14 juillet. There we go. Make sure you hold the button down, wait for a second, say your words, wait for a second, then lift your finger off that little microphone button there. Okay, first one done. So I put a new slide in, and what I'm looking for here is a photo of someone kind of chilling. This one's cool. Press the plus, put some text in. I can change it now to like a caption, for example. That'll give it a little bit of a background. I'll put it in the top left there. Record my voiceover, press and hold. C'est un jour férié. I should probably do that again, actually, because I think it should say c'est un jour férié. But your French teacher will know better than me. C'est un jour férié. And you can just record over the stuff you've done and it'll delete the last one. Okay, next one here. Then I'm going to go for another sort of full screen photo here. Let me try this. French Revolution. Oh, there we go. Famous painting from Delacroix. I'm going to press the little edit button here so I can drag this down so you can see the flag. I think I'll change it to a caption, just so it gives a little background here, and then I can preserve this lady's modesty. There. On fête la prise de la Bastille en 1789, le début de la Révolution française. I do find the big numbers tricky in French. This time I think I'm going to do a split screen. Press the plus, split screen, put my text in. And then on this side, I think I'll put an icon. So I'm looking for des feux d'artifice, which is fireworks. And then I can increase the size of the text if I want to. New slide. Pop in my text. And if I put feast, des banquettes is like a feast. I know that there is this one here. Now look at this. Which French person doesn't like red wine, cheese and grapes? Now I've forgotten to record here, so I'm going to go back to this slide, press and hold. Can do it for this one as well. Maybe I'll change this to, I think I'll use the caption again. Why not? Then I'll reduce the size of this text here. There we go. And then just drag it into the top right. Last but not least, put a photo in. And what I'm looking for is freedom. This one's cool because it's got like a balloon heart as well. On chante la Marseillaise, l'hymne national et on crie liberté, égalité, fraternité. Okay, now I can do things with the theme. I can choose like the statements. I always quite like that one. And then I'll do a French kind of royal blue there. And then stick some music on it. Paris in the 20s. Who wouldn't choose that one? The Old Country Accordion's quite French as well. It's time to share by pressing share here and publish. Create a link. I'll speed this bit up. And once you've got your link, you can copy that, send it to your teacher, or you can send it via Microsoft Teams or Google Classrooms, of course. Bonne chance!